Hello and welcome. I'm John Carrier, one of 4 MIT faculty members you'll meet over the next several weeks. We're excited to work with you to build your senior executive leadership skills in the manufacturing industry. Let me start by telling you a bit more about myself. I completed my PhD at MIT in chemical engineering with a focus on control systems. Over my career, I've worked in chemicals, oil and gas, refining, automotive and aerospace, food and beverage, fleet management, and software development. I've helped companies eliminate millions of dollars in waste, reduce organizational risk, and improve employee morale. In addition, I'm currently the lead instructor of the Lean Operations course in MIT's Leaders for Global Operations program. In this program, you'll also meet Retsef Levi, Professor of Operations Management at the Sloan School, Duane Boning, Professor of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science here at MIT, and Thomas Roemer, Executive Director for the Leaders of Global Operations program, also at MIT. Despite the unprecedented technological advances over the past 15 years, productivity growth is at its lowest since the 1970s. And over the past decade, we've seen a string of major yet preventable failures in energy, automotive, transportation, pharmaceutical, and software sectors. We're also seeing a labor shortage in durable goods manufacturing. However, there is a better way. The methods and frameworks you'll learn in this program are based on 100 years of manufacturing experience, yet are flexible enough to allow for the incorporation of the latest technologies and ways of working to ensure long-term success in an ever-evolving business environment. Now, let's talk a bit about the program content and how it's structured. This program consists of multiple phases that focus on the overarching areas of organizational strategy, technology, and leadership that are crucial for navigating the modern manufacturing landscape. You will learn best practices in system thinking, identify opportunities for incorporating emerging technologies into manufacturing processes, and explore how to lead your organization with the future of manufacturing in mind. We'll discuss topics that are central to the manufacturing industry today, such as risk management, automation, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, to name a few. By the end of this program, you'll be prepared to tackle the challenges of today's manufacturing industry with confidence, efficiency, and creativity. Again, welcome to the program, and let's get started.